Jackpot, no one is here. Hi. So I'm starting my workout off with a warm-up. The Indo row is my favorite way to warm up. I just feel like it's a full body warm-up. I kept looking over my shoulder because I swear I could feel like a hair on my neck or something touching me, and I suddenly started to think that there was like a ghost in the gym. But later on, I actually found the hair like on my bicep somewhere. And so I'm just going into these upright rows. I love these. I love doing arms, to be honest. And I am so shocked at how defined my arms have been looking lately. I think arms are probably the fastest to be defined, besides like, I guess your quads. My quads are starting to look more filled out. Going straight into hammer curls. I forget how difficult hammer curls can be, and they look easy, and they are, but obviously depends on the weight. But over time, progressive overloading on hammer curls, I had to actually drop my weight on these because my forearm was swinging. I'm now looking at my posture just because I am starting to feel like I do have a posterior, what's it called? I don't know, a posterior tilt. And so I'm checking it, and I just feel like I constantly like bending my back, overextending my back. Froggies, single leg froggies, these are way harder than it looks. I definitely thought I could just start with 10 on each, and no, that wasn't the case. I had to go down to 5. I'm not sure if I'm in the right position. Either position didn't seem right to me, but I think I'll have to keep working on these and see what I'm supposed to be doing. My foot is angled out a little more than it should be. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to keep working on these, but I love froggies. I would say that the double froggy is my favorite, and probably something I'll be doing more, but if I'm gonna strengthen and build my glutes better, bigger, faster, singles is probably the way to go. In between, after this, I did another like chest workout. I did incline chest and incline bench press and single arm alternating bench press with the dumbbells. But here I'm doing Bulgarian split squats. This is probably my heavier. I think these are 20 or 25s. I was so burnt out after these for some reason. I've just been so tired lately, and I cannot explain it at all. I've also been really bloated lately, and I think it's just from so my friend and I went out the weekend before, and I only had 3 drinks, but it's almost like it's just carried on for the entire week of how bloated I've been from it. And that has been super irritating. But yeah, on top of that, these had me winded. By the time I was finished, I was just I was so tired. I was just done. I had to catch my breath and hurry up to move on to the next. So right after I did the chest inclines, I did lat pull downs. Absolutely love how my back is looking. I can't believe how much progress my back has made. I have been having a lot of trouble with that left. I think it's my rotator cuff. And so even while I'm talking to you guys right now, I'm still having trouble with my rotator cuff, and I'm a little nervous to go into the gym with it, to be honest. It bothers me in my sleep. But other than that, look at that back. Oh my gosh, if only it looked like that. If only it looked defined when I'm not working out, because I know I'm still looking fluffy in the back. I have to lay off the dairy. seriously. So here's breakfast. Everything bagel, almond cream cheese, 2 eggs, and the last bit of turkey I'll ever eat again in my life. Yeah, so that. Probably have to have 2 scoops of this just to take my iron pills. I'll probably eat this banana on the way to my appointment.
Is that what these are for too?
Did you want sauce?
I mean, I would like to try it. Yeah.
You can dip off your line and stuff. Are these
Hey guys, so I'm gonna make this really quick, but I wish I had the camera like rolling, I guess, while I was at Whole Foods, because while I was there, the cashier was completely joking and I kind of caught it, but he was saying how basically it's like for buying as many items as I did, my price should have been, it's surprising that my price wasn't higher. And at first I was like, wait, what is he talking about? Should this be higher? And I caught on like, okay, this is a joke. And it's because, like, you guys, I got a bunch of bananas, I got salsa, I got 1 chopstick, I got 2 kombuchas, and 3 waters and orange juice. And it came out to less than $20. And so I caught on to his joke, and it made me realize, like, we got into like a long conversation that it's funny how we think we can afford something until we become accustomed to it. We think we can afford something until we make the transaction, until we tell ourselves that it's the best option, it's in the closest proximity, it is the most efficient, it's the fastest, it's the quickest, the experience is better, it is more, what's it called? It's just convenient, you know, things like that. It is just funny how our brains switch immediately, our mindsets switch immediately from, oh, I can't afford that. Why would I spend $7 on Starbucks? Why would I spend $6 on so I can afford that? What? I would rather do this. I would rather do that. I can't go out. What? I can't go out with friends. I can't go to dinner with you. I need to like make dinner for myself. I can't go to Whole Foods. I need to just go to Pick and Save. I can't go to Whole Foods. I have to go to blah, blah, blah. But when it is put in front of you and it's the most convenient thing for you, it's amazing what happens in our lives when we stop making excuses and actually start doing the things that we want, buying things that we desire, not just because we feel worthy, but we actually want that. Pay attention to the things that you tell yourself, because you'd be surprised what comes into your life when you retrain your brain to believe that you get what you want because you desire it and not because you have to work hard for it. Once you start allowing certain things to be the norm in your life, you don't look at them with, I guess, like eyes of, you don't look at them as a challenge anymore. Like, I was actually confused about his joke until I got it like a few seconds later, and I was like, oh. And we got into this very long, it wasn't that long, but for them I'm sure it was, I just love talking about it, but we got into a little bit of a conversation about how, you know, this is kind of why I don't talk about inflation. Like, look at our history. We've been going through inflation and we've been getting through it. And so I just wanted to add that to this vlog. And I think with that being said, this is going to be the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, of course. let me know what else you guys want to see in like future videos, or if you actually like hearing my perspective on things, because personally I have a lot to say. But anyways, see you guys.